Okay, well, okay, here we go.
For the feature match in the evening.
Wow.
We present a money match.
Oh.
You guys got your money down?
Yeah.
On this side of the court, we have Mr. Tiger Riviere, Aiken, South Carolina, and Robert Jasani, also of Aiken, South Carolina. And if you notice, they're carrying rackets. On the other side of the court, we have Mr. Wayne Davies, former world champion of court tennis.
This is
He has no racket.
No racket.
And he will not have a racket throughout the course of this one-set match.
One set.
It will be no ad. The winner will get $200.
Nobody told me that.
Or lose $200. Put up $200.
Nobody told me that.
Well, suck up, Tiger, because that's the way it is. There it is.
Yeah, bring it on.
And that's it.
I love it.
That's it.
Yeah.
No other tricks.
We ready to go?
No other tricks.
No other tricks.
No other tricks, huh?
Rackets versus no rackets. 200 versus no
Wayne is
rackets.
catch and throw, right?
Wayne is catch and throw. And you have time to make bets.
Squeeze in. Let's get a ringside seat for this. Of course. Oh yeah.
This will be fun. I keep looking at that hat every time.
You know I stole straight off Dan's head last night, and I didn't consider the fact.
Oh, really? It looks like Detroit.
He went to
Okay. No, we went to Kent and he told me.
He's went to Fine University. He obviously doesn't.
Audio's on.
They can't poach. No poaching. No, you can't poach. He has to stay back. Okay, now.
It's unbelievable.
That's awesome.
Oh! Pressure's already building. You gotta bring it.
Special sauce.
He cut that down. I've never seen it like that.
I've never seen a cut like that from Wayne.
Very last.
Hazard. I mean, go.
You guys want to give up your racket?
That's hilarious.
Reach on the freaking board.
Yeah, he was too. I love it. Honestly. This is great for me. Wait. Wait till he starts. He's going to do the serve.
Wait, serving on you. Go ahead, serve right now. You're good. They quit.
Giraffe.
Just read the book.
Go back over there. You gotta be kidding me.
Lost the chase?
Lost chase. Lost the chase.
That was like 5. Okay. 5.
Game, Wayne.
It's going to take a minute to get used to
Rocket doesn't know what. Oh my God, look at this. Hilarious.
This is unbelievable.
Rocket's like, why did
Why did I agree to do this?
I bet he doesn't do anything twice.
No, that's true.
Behind the light stripe lines.
He made a mistake.
Why is it a fault? Because they banded over there on the other side of the yellow line.
That's the way to go, yeah.
That's why I wanted in.
That's scary. Come on, Cam. He did a little twist.
It's true.
Maybe they ought to play around.
Yeah! Oh yeah! Tiger's fired up.
Just beat the shit out of it. Okay, I got money on you guys. No, I love you. Beat the shit out of That's interesting. That's an egg tiger. Let's do that. That would be nice.
He was head on.
Was he
Like an inside pitch.
Wait, he must have been a creek up there. No, it's just the weight. Chase better than 2.
Get in there. I know. Well, he's the wrong person to try to defeat him.
40-30 server. Chase better than 2.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, he wants to be on the other side. He'd rather be on the other side.
Chase worse than 1.
That's a place to be on.
That's a tough chase.
He's got a good chase.
Yeah, he's gonna
He knows right where to throw it. He'll throw it to like worse than the last, he'll land at 1.
Come on, guys.
Come on, boys. Well done. Come on, guys.
No strokes better than 6 on the table.
Just a minute, seriously.
Chase, worse than one, worse than one. Great shot.
This is like dodgeball. It's like Wayne is picking on kids. This is like dodgeball. I got 2 more games in me before the crying begins. Good God.
Tears.
Right way, baby. Don't make him cry. Just give him a game, okay? Way to go, Rocket! Let's put 4 people on the side. What is wrong with this picture?
He ripped it up.
Australia, but
She's the fast pussy.
He is. Come on, Tiger. Pay attention. Pay attention.
Sorry, Francois.
Serious money. Serious money. Your Tiger shot right here. Oh, shoot. Right there.
Number 15.
That was cute, but not any.
Cricket.
Yeah, it's a cricket game.
Yeah, he's a bowler.
Jeez. Yeah, get kissing. Do something. He's like I've never seen Racquet try.
Where he reaches into his ball.
Good shot. Nice try.
That's true. Under.
Yeah.
Look at that. Shut up.
Jeff, you see it under?
I wasn't the only one.
He's not the
I
judge.
wasn't the only one.
Wayne's right about that.
Right.
30-15.
Yeah, I know it's possible.
You know, Rat Wayne, he reminds me of this cow. Scarlet Pimp. Yes. He's crossed court. He's crossed court.
Sorry about the call.
Sort of close to the wall. You have money on him, right? Close to the wall. Make him stay in the corner. Yeah, do something. Good try, Rocket. I got money in this game. Come on. There you go.
Well done.
Gotta keep him close to the wall.
30-40.
Came over and fixed me.
Come on, Cage. See low part there. See? There you go. This is so hot. Good try, Rocket. That was better, buddy. Don't worry, Rocket. Wayne's got too much time in his hands. Okay. He's got it. Okay, let's tie his hand in his back. He's got it. Way to go, Hurricane.
We'll report you to the Better Business Bureau.
40-30 for Wayne Chase, worse than 3. Don't floor.
Good try. Nice shot.
2. Game ball? Game ball. Come back.
Okay, Francois, who are you going to play in this game next?
But the one thing I know, I am not betting with Henry again, ever. He got me to bet. He gets me to bet on my frenzy. Yeah, keep it close, Rob. Keep it close. I didn't know what I was getting into.
Apparently not.
No, obviously not. Can he not? Tiger can't come up.
Hurricane Wayne leads 5 games to 0.
Come on, guys. Get on the board.
There's your hand again. Something wrong with this picture. Francois, do you have money on this?
Yeah, I do. On top of it. See, look at right there. See, no, he's got to come cross. Watch. He comes a little low part. Okay, that's like there you go.
15 love.
Rocket's got a low part every time. Watch.
No.
Nice.
No way.
Oh. That's a great shot. Good try, Rocket.
He moves so well.
50 balls, number
Come on. Tiger, don't give up. Only one. Tiger, don't give up. You can do it. You're much better than that.
Just keep swinging back there.
But he's over low part of that every time. It's almost possible every time.
Yeah.
So soon they see
Oh, the party's over.
That's a good shot.
My God.
That's a good
Oh yeah, I've talked about it a long time ago. I mean, I see this all night. Yeah.
Don't do it.
chases. Better than a yard. That's what the chase. Better than horse.
Silly.
Shot.
He's got a great cross.
What do you call it? It's not a forehand. What do you call it? Throw hand? Rack toss.
Forehand throw.
Yeah, exactly. Forehand throw.
There's one second.
Man, you don't.
All right, boys, come on. Come on, boys. Come on.
Hell of a set. Only one. There's one video.
Close to the wall. Keep him close to the wall. Close to the wall, Tiger.
Yard worse than left.
Tiger, hit the ball where he's not.
Railroads, the only thing that ever works. If he can close to the wall, that's his only angle.
Turn out.
Somebody has